Good morning. Welcome, Sham Stars. Chapter 10 Microbes in Human Welfare. We have already discussed few topics. In this presentation, we will be discussing role of microbes in biogas production. Let's start with the topic. Biogas is a mixture of gases, mainly methane, produced by the microbial activity and may be used as a fuel. Certain bacteria which grow anaerobically on cellulosic material produce large amount of methane gas along with carbon dioxide and hydrogen. These bacteria are called methanogens. One of the common bacterium is Methanobacterium. Methanogens are commonly found in the anaerobic sludge during sewage treatment and are also present in the rumen of cattle. In rumen, methanogens help in the breakdown of cellulose and their excreta called gobar. Cow dung is rich in these bacteria. Therefore, cow dung can also be used to produce biogas commonly called as gobar gas. Now let's understand a typical biogas plant which is shown in this slide. The biogas plant consists of a concrete tank which is 10 to 15 feet deep, in which bio-waste are collected and a slurry of dung is fed. It is called digester. A floating cover is placed over the slurry, which keeps on rising as the gas is produced in the tank due to microbial activity. The plant has an outlet which is connected to a pipe to supply biogas to nearby houses. The spent slurry is removed through another outlet and may be used as fertilizer. In rural areas, cattle dung is available in plenty. So, biogas plants are built more in these areas to produce biogas for cooking and lighting. It can also be applied as ready to use manure. After being stored for a few days or mixed in a same ratio with water, bioslurry can be applied directly to vegetables or fruit crops around the household. Dried digested slurry has great potential to be used as feed supplement for cattle, pigs, poultry and fish. This slide shows composition of biogas. Methane is found 50 to 70%. Carbon dioxide 30 to 40%. Hydrogen 5 to 10%. Nitrogen gas 1 to 2%. Water vapor 0.3% present in biogas. Oxygen 0 to 2% and hydrogen sulfide gas is present in traces. This technology of biogas production was developed in India due to the efforts of Indian Agriculture Research Institute, that is IARI, and Khadi and Village Industries Commission, KVIC. So children, this is all about role of microbes in biogas production. In this presentation, we discussed about composition of biogas, bacteria responsible for biogas production, and simple biogas plant. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will talk about biocontrol agents. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.